Hello, you guys. I'm excited. We are at the Atlanta Safari Park. I'm not sure why it's called Atlanta Safari Park. I guess because it's near Metro Atlanta, but I highly doubt this is Metro Atlanta. We're in Commerce, Georgia, and I'm excited. It's the first day of summer, and happy summer solstice 2025 to you guys. So because we're nature enthusiasts, we are going to have a ball. You excited? Oh, look. Yay, look at that. That's a llama?
Bucket. Yeah, llamas.
Llama? Okay.
Yeah, llamas over there. Little llamas.
Okay. So thank you guys for coming along for the ride with us. Okay. Yeah, you can record me. Oh, you're gonna feed it first. We have hand sanitizer. So we just giving them the bucket? Do we take it out the bucket?
No, they using the bucket up there.
Okay.
I guess if you have one go over on your side, you can just bring the bucket over to your side.
Okay.
I got look like they one rushing the car in the front. Got one on one side, and the other on the passenger side in front of us.
He greedy.
He just waiting by the entrance. He knows food at the entrance.
I know. Look at it. Here you go. Look at him.
Yeah, they knows food at the entrance. they knows food at the entrance.
Hello. Look at him. He coming. Oh, it's oh gosh.
Oh, those three of them.
Okay, we should have. Okay, roll your one to down then. I mean, no, roll your one. I'm gonna keep mine down. Over here. I got nothing for you. Get over there. Give it over there. Okay. Hello. Don't be greedy.
Don't be greedy.
People have to eat too.
It's good.
Okay, roll your one down and let me do mine. Here. George.
Wait,
Okay,
hold on. Let me get.
Oh, they want some too.
Yeah, I know it's waiting on the other one, so he gets some too. Come on.
George.
You too. You don't want none? See, maybe he full.
No.
Okay.
No. Bye-bye.
Okay, that's enough.
Thank you. Bye-bye. We should have got two, but okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Don't be greedy. Other people, they have food too for you. Bye. All right. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. George, go. Go, George. Okay. Yay. More food back there. Okay, record me. Oh, Lord. Oh, that was scary. Okay. Baby, I have some for you. Where's my phone? My phone. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Hold the bucket tight. You sitting there, put all loose, they knock out your hand.
Because I was trying to get my phone. I'm not going to be recording with my phone. It's okay. All right. More food back there. Bye-bye. 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 Where they at? They always at the front of the entrance.
Some more gonna come out.
Now which way we go?
It says staff only that way. So I guess it's this way. That way it says staff only.
Oh, it's down there. Damn, I'm trying to see.
Oh, yeah,
how
there's
we're
some
gonna
more down
get
there.
some fit. I can hold this and me. I'm already nervous. Dang. What is it?
Oh, there's birds. They coming down.
Oh, we can't feed the birds.
Oh, we don't have any bird food?
No.
Oh, okay.
I don't deal with birds anyway. Move now. Okay. Oh, what's this? A llama?
Yeah, another llama.
Okay, here you go. Cause you'll get him. Okay.
He's on your side.
Yep. Okay. Okay, buddy. Alrighty. Drive on, George. Thank you. Bye bye. Okay, George. Thank you. The rest is all you. Here, give him. Oh, look at your zebra.
Got the zebras up there. Yeah, the zebra. The zebra walking. We're getting closer. It being fed. I wonder where they I don't see no ponds around here. I wonder where their water source is at. Look at them. Y'all want some food? I gotta hold this bucket tight so you don't knock it out of my hand.
Oh, goodness.
Oh, you still eating? You don't want no more?
Okay.
I guess he's full. Hold on. There you go. It's your turn. He on your side.
Just quickly, George. I'm nervous.
Oh, well, you know what? They may knock the ball out your hand, cause I had to hold this real tight.
I was gonna hold it both hands, but go ahead. He's not getting nothing.
Okay.
You in the way. See ya. See ya. No. Bye.
Yeah, they those zebras and everything. You gotta hold it. You gotta hold that bucket super tight. So you knock out your hand.
I want to feed them, but I have to hold both hands, and I just.
You probably have to wait till you got in the car for that.
Just.
You want some too?
They are beautiful animals.
Okay, you got some.
That's a beautiful. Look at him.
Look, he's pretty.
Not pretty. I'm pretty. Okay.
Yeah, hold that.
Jesus. I'd be nervous with these animals. They're beautiful though. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm happy to be here though. In a safari.
There's a narrow road right here.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe we have a safari in Metro. Well, this is not Metro Atlanta.
Well, this is one of them. I saw some other ones.
Oh, okay. Well, you know what? But I've gone to petting zoos. My mom used to take me to petting zoos often.